He just graduated clown school.
I forgot how to even start a video.
Why you didn't give it to us? Jesus.
What do you think we're doing right now?
Getting useless back at you with another video.
See, this is why we haven't uploaded, because people like this just want to talk that shit 24/7.
That's how you start a video. I'm glad you're back in.
All right, we got Robert installing parts on my car, so nothing has really changed in the last like year and a half. I have other stuff.
It's just
That actually looks pretty good.
It's like a baseline.
If this video gets 10,000 likes, to leak Robert's nude. We've all seen it. This is the kind of stuff that we want to get out to the
Show
world.
everybody at this point. Might as well just put it up.
Just gonna unzip it right now.
I gotta get out of here.
But we got this splitter right here. We're gonna put it on the car. Well, Robert's gonna put it on the car. We're just gonna help him. Robert's a mechanic now. He's got a job that pays him 6 figures.
I'm still driving that.
I would say scratch the paint, but this right here's a wrap. They don't know that. They thought I bought a red, but just wait till I pull it out in the sun.
Pull it out in the sun, like, wow, that's one pink car.
That's orange.
Tell us, Sam. You're my best friend, right? Sometimes, yeah. That's cold. What's new in the last year?
I've hung out with you 3 times in the last year. That's what's new. There's actually a new thing happening right now. I'm actually hanging out with you this year.
Oh, yo, what's up?
What's new in the last year and a couple months?
Just working on that piece. New wheels. You know, for everyone asking.
Paint's still clean? Fender's still baking? You've never been in a video.
I'm Anthony.
What's your relation to this young man right here?
We met on
Tinder?
Tinder. No, Grindr was first, and I saw he was on Tinder too, and I was like, and then he gave me a job, and then that just solidified our relationship.
Hold hands.
together.
Hold hands.
I'm holding a splitter. I
You can
prefer
kiss
if you
instead.
step 10 feet.
All right, Jade. So what car do you drive? Got another Beamer boy in the shot right here. It's got some subs in the back. Real BBS, right?
BBS LM. Reps.
All right, I'm on reps too. I said these were temporary and I still haven't changed because I needed wheels right before
So
the
you
wrap.
just have money to throw away. How about you pay for my parts then? You just got money to throw away.
I'm not saying I have money to throw away.
It kind of sounds like you got money to throw away if you're just buying wheels so that you don't have to run your stockies until you get different wheels. Seems like you got money to throw
Well, look, I'm still on the same damn wheels.
away. Guess who has the money for wheels?
Me and Sam are just gonna start a fake online feud just so we can get back to our old views
It's gonna
again.
be fake for one of us.
What'd you fuck up?
I stripped that.
This guy. Oh, fuck.
We're only 2 seconds in. The bolt's already been stripped. That's the JSR way I remember.
Hey, Sam, do you have a 10 mil?
You know, out of every tool I've ever had, no, I don't have a fucking 10.
Here we go about again.
Sam lost his 10 mil again. He's gonna blame it on me when he finds it in my garage and he's gonna call me a thief.
I found in your garage.
It's because you leave him here.
And you didn't have the audacity.
Am I a thief?
Months.
Am I a thief?
What?
Am I a thief?
Yes, you're a thief.
Why? Anthony also owns a Veloster. Doesn't mean he likes them though. Doesn't mean he likes them though. Let's go check out Sam's new car.
It's not carbon fiber, so I don't really care about it.
It's got this sick matte wrap on it. I really.
It's like water spot wrap.
But the bed is from a different truck though.
You want to see what we found in it today when we cleaned it?
That's always a good sign. A body shop business card.
Collision repair.
I still trust this car though, right?
Yeah. The front end wasn't hit, so I don't care.
Aside
Still-
for the meatballs for suspension, you know, it's.
Still clean title, so insurance-wise, I don't really care. I don't care if it's fucked up and not clean title. See,
It's just how it is.
ask Anthony, I still swing it.
Oh, it swings. Hello.
I got one video of this dude swinging it, and then the next was a picture of your wheel stuck in like a rut.
Well, if you were to ever look at my Instagram one time in your life, you'll see.
Say it again.
I said, get back to work. Stomach sticks out farther than yours. I got a whole nother life in here to take, not just yours.
How tall are you, Sam? 6'4"?
Taller than Robert.
How tall are you, Robert? No, you grew.
5'10".
Yeah, he grew, see? Used to be 5'3".
When
He
Sam
grew.
slouches over with his scoliosis or whatever, I'm about to hold himself.
I'm out this bitch. Ben's like,
Yeah, this dude's tall as hell when he stands up.
How's that feel?
horrible actually, it hurts. That's why I don't do it.
I need a better fly.
Sam, what are you doing?
I can't show you what I'm doing.
Put a Carmax oh, there's a Carmax sticker right there. Hey, don't you work at Carmax?
Oh.
Wait, what's this? Alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to install a splitter. It's a pretty hard thing to do. Not a lot of people on the internet know how to do it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drop the subframe.
Yeah, so there's There's a few bolts here.
Yeah.
One on this side, one on this side, and under this tray in the back. And we're gonna start by dropping that so we get more room for clearance for the bumper. We got an engine hoist. We'll lift the engine up a little bit too for extra clearance. And yeah, we'll start there.
All right, guys. How do you think this looks? Leave a comment down below.
Hold it up here.
You know what these comments down below do? They drive the feedback. They drive, you know, the comments and the traffic, and they put it in the recommended. So that's why you always ask I can't even speak.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's why you ask useless questions on every YouTube video, and then that's how you get views. And Robert's about to die, so we should. It looks a little bit floppy. So you're probably wondering why we didn't show you guys the ending of the splitter install, and that's because it fell off the next day. Yeah, it also got crushed into 10 pieces, so yeah. So if you guys didn't see that, go ahead, head over to my Instagram. I got a picture of the splitter in pieces up on there. I also have a picture of it on the car. It's the only one I got, so I got one picture out of it, so it didn't really go as planned. You know, I put a lot of faith in Robert, and I feel like he really let me down a little bit. It's a little bit disappointing, but that's all right. We're gonna move forward from here. Yeah, this is just a little preview video, not meant to be serious. It's short. I know it's like probably under 5 minutes. So it's just a little preview of what's to come. We're back hanging out, you know, probably once, twice a week maybe. So we're just gonna film whatever we can. I'm not gonna put out an upload schedule because really the upload's just gonna come out whenever we feel like it. But yeah, no set upload schedule, but due to popular demand in our Instagram DMs, we have come back to YouTube. It's not that we ever wanted to leave it, it's just our schedules, you know, it's life. Yeah, but we're back, that's what counts. Yeah, for all of our longtime viewers, if you're still here, thank you so much, it means a lot to us, and we hope to produce content for you for the next little while. So yeah, we'll just see how it goes. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and I guess we'll see you guys in the next one.